Hello. I'm getting ready to varnish this seashell rug. So you can see lots of seashells, a little bit of seaweed, sea urchin, fishies, more fishies, just some fun abstract sea stars. Okay, I love this little pool of water with the plants around it. Okay, but what I wanted to share with you this morning is how important it is before you start to varnish anything that you need your lint roller. Now, I'm starting to tear the paper off of this one. This was my first roll. So, it's dust, maybe little bits of paint, whatever, has collected on the rug. I finished painting 4 days ago, and I wait at least 4 or more days for it to dry before I varnish it. So this was the first run. I'm going to do it again. Let's see what happens. Okay, this is my second time I'm running the lint roller over this rug before I varnish it. And the first time it was pretty dirty. Of course, I have a very open studio. There's a lot of screen. I have a lot of bugs. Oh, this roll keeps slipping. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, still little pieces of paint or, dust. So I'm going to keep rolling until this roller comes out fairly clean so that when I varnish, I know that none of this will be trapped underneath that first coat of varnish. Okay, my lint roller has finally come out fairly clean, okay, compared to those first times. I ran maybe 4 or 5 times over this. So it may just vary according to how clean your studio is, how closed in it is. As I said, mine's very open. There's a lot of screens. It's an open roof. So it's great for ventilation and for light, but it's not really conducive to keeping things dust-free. So just remember how important it is to use your lint roller. And now I'm going to varnish the rug. For more tips and tricks on, making, sewing, painting, designing your canvas rug, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification button so you're updated with all the new videos I have coming out. And you can sign up for my Canvas Rug Crafters email list and receive the first 2 modules of my course on how to sew your own canvas rug. You receive those for free when you sign up on my email list. You can check out my Facebook page, Laurel's Originals, and my website, laurelsoriginals.com, with lots of blogs and information about canvas rugs. I'll see you there.